here, we have all gathered here for spreading an awareness and opening Voice of Youth 2026. Voice of Youth is a youth summit which is a student initiative. It is organized entirely by students under the age of 18 from different schools across the country. So what we are doing here is that it's a youth summit which has a vision of I before we before I, which means that when we look at the society today, there are a lot of problems. There are a lot of things that we as youth or we as students think that this should be solved, that should be solved. But what are we ourselves doing for it? So we as this event want to carry the baton of launching such an initiative where students come up and present ideas, come up and present solutions for problems which are prevalent in the society. So basically what we are doing up here is that we are giving the students an opportunity to firstly work on themselves, work on their skills, work on their passions and work on things that they want to get solved in the society. Then comes the aspect of Be Before I. So Be Before I is an initiative which promotes the social aspect of this event, which is basically that we are promoting the aspect of students or the youth getting to be a part of the society as a whole. So in this event we also have underprivileged children coming up who have gotten an opportunity to present their ideas. So which adds to our vision and adds to our mission of promoting this in a much greater manner. So
Right, so why Voice of Youth itself? So Voice of Youth is basically a pitching event where we allow students or the teams who are participating to propose an idea based on 5 domains that we have already established. The domains include matters relating to technology, matters relating to sustainability, matters relating to climate problems and policies itself. So it allows students who have unique and original ideas to pitch those ideas to professionals in those very fields. So we have been able to gather judges in various fields relating from technology, from climate and sustainability, even from the government in order to talk about public policy. So when these ideas are proposed by the students, it allows them a platform in order to interact with these professionals. And when these professionals like these ideas, when they are able to judge them, when they are able to decide what idea can be implemented in real life society. Since we see that there are lots of problems in society, just in general to the fields that we are exploring, we can understand that these professionals will be able to help those students in order to implement that idea. So Voice of Youth essentially gives everybody, since it's a national event, it makes people from all over the country come to Kolkata to Raajkutir on 1st and 2nd August in order to pitch those ideas which are, let's say, focused on something regional, which let's say are focused on something which is not prevalent to us right now, and it allows them to make a solution for that problem. And then that solution can be worked on by those investors, by those judges who will be with us on the 1st and 2nd of August. So it gives us a sense of belonging to society and it allows us to create a further impact.
I would just want to add that when we talk about a student initiative, when we talk about something done by children or something done by under 18 people, events of this scale, so there is always a question of it being over ambitious, there is always a question of it being unpractical. So here what we think as an organizing committee as a whole is that this event is something that we are very passionate about, and it is something that we believe that age is just a number in today's day. When we talk about the simple thing called a mobile phone, we all have control to it, we all have access to it, and with that we can search up anything, we can do anything. Hence, having the aspect of having the perception in mind that the event is hosted entirely by children or done only by students, so the magnitude of it decreases. But to be very honest, this event is something that we ourselves have the belief that we'll be able to pull it off. And in it, we have the support of Mr. Ashwat, who has been very kind and helped us overall host this event. We'll be